In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Layout option in Microsoft Word. The Layout tab in Microsoft Word is a powerful tool that allows you to control the structure and appearance of your document. By using the Layout options effectively, you can adjust margins, orientation, spacing, and indentation, giving your document a polished and professional look. To begin, open a Word document and click on the Layout tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. The Layout tab contains several groups of commands, including Page Setup, Paragraph, and Arrange. Each of these groups gives you control over different aspects of your document. The first group, Page Setup, lets you adjust margins, page orientation, size, and columns. To change margins, click the Margins button and select one of the preset options or choose Custom Margins to set your own. Orientation allows you to switch between portrait and landscape mode, depending on whether your document should be vertical or horizontal. You can also select a different paper size, such as A4 or letter, and create multiple columns if your content requires a newspaper-style layout. The Paragraph group in the Layout tab allows you to control indentation and spacing. You can increase or decrease the indentation from the left or right margins, which is useful for block quotes or special formatting. Spacing options let you add space before or after a paragraph, helping to improve readability and create a clean layout. Adjusting spacing is especially important for professional documents, reports, or academic papers. Finally, the Arrange group helps you position objects such as images, shapes, or text boxes. You can align objects relative to the page, bring them forward or send them backward, and even rotate them for creative designs. These tools are valuable when working with diagrams, infographics, or visual elements in your document. By mastering the Layout tab, you can control both the appearance and structure of your Word documents. This ensures that your content is well organized, visually appealing, and easy to read, whether you're preparing a report, a resume, or any professional document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.